Hello students, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce, we are studying the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. And today we will start the new topic, accounting treatment of the reserve and accumulated profit when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio. जब भी कोई प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो चेंज होगा तो अगर इन केस देयर इज ए सम बैलेंसेस ऑफ द प्रॉफिट और द रिजर्व व्हाट विल बी द ट्रीटमेंट विल बी डन. सो अगर आपके बैलेंस शीट में कोई रिजर्व है, एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट है, तो उस कंडीशन में इसका ट्रीटमेंट क्या करना चाहिए. जब चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हो रहे हैं, हमारे प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में चेंजेज आ रहे हैं, यानी कि हमारे जो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो चेंज हो रहा है. अगर इन केस what the treatment will be done in the firm. So there are some for the treatment we will take the some cases for better understanding. We will take here the first case when the reserve and accumulated profit are transferred to the capital account. If the partners decided or if there is any deed or any agreement done between the partners that whatever the reserve and accumulated profit are there in the balance sheet, that will be transferred to the capital account. So what will be the general entry for transfer of the reserve and accumulated profit? So first of all, these reserves have always the balances of the credit balance, because the reserve and if there is a profit has always credit balance, and the reserve has also the credit balance. Workman compensation has always credit balance, and investment fluctuation reserve has always credit balance. These are the reserves. So we will discuss in the later video in the very explanatory way, because there is a very need to understand these types of the reserves. So first of all, this reserve will be debited, because if we are going to transfer in the partner's capital account, we have to make the debit. So first of all, we will debit the reserves account, debit the profit and loss account, workman compensation reserve account, and investment fluctuation reserve account. So in the bracket here given that the excess over the liability, if there is any claim arises for the workman compensation, and if there is any balance left after completing or after the fulfilling the liabilities, those only balances will be transferred to the partner's capital account. Okay, and investment fluctuation reserve के केस में क्या है, excess of the reserves over the difference between the book value and the market value. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व का जो क्रिएशन होता है, कोई भी मार्केट में आपके शेयर्स हैं या फिर बॉन्ड्स हैं, डिवेंचर्स हैं, जो उसके इन्फ्लेशन के जो इफ़ेक्ट को कम करने के लिए इस रिजर्व को हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं. कोई भी फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व कोई सिक्योरिटीज़ के केस में, तो इसके भी अगर एक्सेस कोई हमारे पास डिफरेंसेस हैं, जो बैलेंस डिफरेंसेस है, उन सबको हम लोग किस में ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे, पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो these reserves will be debited. General reserve account will be debited, profit and loss account will be debited, workman compensation reserve account will be debited, and the investment fluctuation reserve will be debited to partners capital or the current account in their old ratio. Why we have taken here old ratio? Because these profit has been earned by the old partners, not the incoming partner or not by the any admitting partner. So these profit will be distributed among the partners in their old ratio. Okay students, so let's take the another example. If there is a loss, what will be done for the transfer of the accumulated loss, because the loss is also the part of the agreement. If there is any loss, that should also be distributed among the partners. So here will be done that the old partners capital account will be debited here in their old ratio to profit and loss account, to deferred revenue expenditure account. So if there is a loss, the loss should also be distributed. So these two journal entry will be passed in case of the accumulated reserve and accumulated profit, when the reserve and accumulated profit are going to transfer in their partners capital account. ओके, पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में अगर ट्रांसफ़र किया जाएगा, अगर ऐसा कुछ ट्रीटमेंट में हमको बताया जाता है, इस रिजर्व को डेबिट करके ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर देंगे। अगर लॉस है तो लॉस के केस में क्या करेंगे, पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट को डेबिट या फिर करंट अकाउंट को डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स टू पीएल अकाउंट टू डिफर्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इस तरीके से हम इस टॉपिक को यहाँ पे कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं। अब इसके अनदर केस को हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। ओके।